every time you stop, I edit. One day we'll be driving over there. One day this will be dismantled. This looks like we're in Japan driving on the wrong side of the road. Or England. Got nothing to do with the Roadrunner or Yosemite? Or,
I was not able to look.
what was his name? I said it earlier.
Yosemite?
No.
Roadrunner?
Wile E. Coyote. Acme Barricades. They took the big flag down from the crane.
Yeah, that's what I told you earlier.
Oh, you told me that earlier?
Mm-hmm.
So Flag Day and 4th of July is over. Time to take the flags down.
Well, because look, they already
even Wendy's
finished this.
did it.
Yeah, they finished the hole that they had in. There's no hole anymore. So they kind of like put it together. This one, they're working on it too. The hole. There's no hole anymore. I'm just going up and up and up. I think pretty soon we're not able to see the cars on the other side either because it's going to be so high up.
How many times have we stopped at this
You have to tell
stoplight?
me.
I bet it's at least 10.
Yay, go, 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 go.
How many times have you seen an edit in this video? That's how many times we've stopped.
It's not flowing, it's not flowing like when this one's on. 'Cause right now we're stuck here.
Stupidly stuck.
This has to be 16 or 17 feet because that one was 14 feet.
We've got 3 bridges. Going over a bumpy road.
Understatement.
I'm sure the roundabouts will be much more pleasant. What do you think? Plus all the people turning to go to work at Amazon.
This one is really bad.
The posterity of the bouncing video. Remember that bump, Cindy? Nightly lane closures, 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. on July 12th, 13th, and 14th.
I like how they communicate that stuff, though.
They're doing. This is probably the best construction job ever.
Communication is good.
Communication and progress. Except for the bridge they built over here.
The bridge is still, we're still waiting for it.
It's supposed to open, what, like 3 weeks ago?
Yeah.
Okay, those of us in the future, is this where the road narrows, or is it after the new bridge? Are they gonna chop down these trees and widen this? Like they should.
Wait.
It's hot outside.
Wow.
What was it yesterday? 104?
104.
Here's the new bridge and this little side thing. What is this going to be in the future? Is this going to be part of the road still, or is it going to be a service road for the people that live over here? And there's special little driveways that they're building for this bridge. Here we're going to have our brand new stoplight that's being installed finally. We must have hit the death quota. Enough people died to get a stoplight, even though we need one here. Sorry for my morbid humor.
Yeah, they took the plastic covers. They took the plastic covers out. Hopefully.
What about on the unnecessary walk? They still have them. The crossing signals.
Well, they still have some of it, but not all of it out.
And that's the road construction of State Road 33, July 2026.